Good morning, guys. So it's breakfast time. I'm up early and I've seen this online and I'm going to give it a try. It's cooking cackleberries with the waffle maker. So let's give this a try. It's breakfast time. I'm going to probably make a mess. I'm prepared for that. So I guess you open up your lid and give yourself a spray. That's simple. And I'm going to probably smoke the house out, but I got time. Drop your eggs in. They said the texture is different too. And the yolk breaking is not going to matter because it's going to get smushed here in a second. I guess that's as simple as that. Let it cook. So again, the questions will be asked, why would you do this? Well, maybe you run out of propane. Maybe, I don't know. But we're going to give this a try and see what happens. They said you hear kind of like a pop and it'll be done. So get back to you here in a second. Well, the smell test, it smells good. It smells like egg. Okay, so I'm doing this by sound. I'm listening for the crackling and popping. But then I just heard a pop. I heard like a click, so like it's done. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I'm going to give it a few more seconds and see what happens. So I don't use this waffle maker that much, but that pop noise, that little pink, was the actual it turning off. So I think it's done. So I know do not use metal with non-stick, but I have no choice here, bud. Look at this. Trying to get the camera to focus. Look at that. It came out really easy. Right onto my bagel. No mess, no fuss. So let's give us a little bit of salt. Give it a try. So texture's different. It's kind of like having an egg in the middle of toast. I have one of those videos on my cooking area, my profile, but that's actually pretty good. The cleanup doesn't look like it's going to be bad. I guess in a pinch, cooking with the waffle maker works. It's got a good flavor to it, and it's kind of got a different texture. So here we go. More information, more fun. Y'all stay safe. Have a great day.